Hello everyone and welcome to PA Academy. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the best online leadership and management courses. These are courses that actually comes with certificate. So if you are a manager or you own a business or you own a company or you lead a group of people and you want to have a good knowledge of how to properly lead, manage and communicate with people effectively, then do make sure you watch this video to the end and then explore all of the courses I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. And to make it much more easier, I'm going to be leaving the link to all of the courses I'm going to be recommending. I'm going to be leaving a link to those courses in the description of this video. So with that now, let's get into the video. All right, so the first course I'm going to be sharing with you is leadership and management skills. So 18 leadership courses in one. Exactly. So this is a loaded course. Exactly. And before we proceed, also let me also mention that if you look at some of these courses, okay, maybe I'll talk about it later. Let's analyze this course first. So leadership and management skills, 18 in one courses. That's to let you know that a lot of informations are in this course. It says become a truly exceptional leaders with this all-in-one leadership and management skill course taught by global experts. So with a rating of 4.5 rating, over 2,000 rating and almost 20,000 students enrolled so far. And you can see that the course was updated recently because the same month when I'm doing this video was when it was updated. Okay, so these are some of the things you are going to be learning: master advanced leadership and management skill to excel in any role regardless of the industry. So regardless of your industry or your role, as long as you are going to be needing that leadership, management and communication skills, then this course is definitely for you. So let me pick it randomly. Seamlessly integrate agile methodologies in your team culture, fostering openness and growth, enhance productivity and efficiency through strategic goal setting, develop strategies to prevent moral stress and injury, build moral resilience, and empower your team to overcome challenges. Exactly. Okay, so now if you scroll down, this course is about 18 hours of on-demand videos. You are going to be having 99 downloadable resource. You can access it anywhere, and then there's also a certificate upon completion, certificate of completion once you are done with this course. And certificate like this can also help you in building your portfolio or your resume, as maybe once you're applying for the role of or the post of a manager. And once you have some of this certificate in your resume, it goes a long way to show that yes, you are competent for whatever role it is that you are either applying for or you are taking up. Okay, so here is the course content. So these are all the course content. If you click this arrow, you are going to be seeing each of the topics under all of the course content. And then once you scroll down, it's a long list. So that's to let you know that there are lots of information here. So influential leadership, decision-making skills, delegation skills, strategic thinking, executive leadership. You can see these are some of the roles that you need if you are managing an industry or a company or a business. Even if you are yet to, it's also important for you to have some of these skills, some of this knowledge. Exactly. Remote onboarding, starting learning for new hires, setting up new employees for productivity and success, giving feedback, let's see, developing your ideas, building your awareness, make a commitment. Exactly. So these are all the skills that will help you in your journey as being a leader or a manager. Okay. So if you also come down here to see some of the reviews, you can see that after this course, I realized, okay, that the company does not have dedicated leaders like in the theoretical article. If you all leaders practice and apply the lecture honestly, the company can grow. Okay, so maybe the person is making to reference to the company that he or she works. So it's been an amazing experience, and I find the lectures very helpful. Exactly. Okay, so this is actually a paid course. So for this course now, which is $999 at the time of making this video, at a discounted price of $999, yours might be different, but trust me, it's a great value for money. So this is the first course that I'm recommending if you are looking out for a course on leadership and management. Okay, so now let's go to the second one. Here is the second course, another bestseller in this category: management skills training for new and experienced manager. Like you can see that you're a new manager or you have experience, definitely you're going to get not just one or two, but a lot. You're going to learn a lot from this particular course. So management and leadership skills certification in developing people, leading teams, and improving processes. Leading people is one of the is very challenging, and then if you don't have the skills or the knowledge on how to properly lead and manage people, you're going to have problems. Exactly. So, but with courses like this, to give you the foundation you need on how to properly manage people and then give you all the information that you need. So these are the things that you're going to be learning. Motivate your employee and create high engagement and empowerment. Lead team to become high performing team. Engage in continuous improvement. Provide specific job training for your team. Once you come on this page, you're going to see all of this. So like I said, the link to it is going to be in the description. So, and this is a 12-hour video course. You're going to be having 13 articles, 32 downloadable resources, and then you can access it anywhere. This also offers you certificate of completion. So right here is the course content. It is divided into 14 sections and 90 lectures. So each of these, once you come on this page and then you click on this arrow, then you're going to be seeing each of the lectures that is under each of the courses. So let's just look at it briefly. Okay, so introduction to essential skills, developing employee skills, motivating your team member, coaching and communication skills. You can see discipline, justice, discipline and self-control, team formation and organization, team facilitation and decision making. If you look at all of these things, these are skills that you actually need if you are to help your business or your organizations to grow. And then you also agree with me that not everybody have the skills. So if you're looking forward to have all of these skills, then consider getting this course. So what's the requirements? There is no requirements for this course other than the desire to become a highly successful manager. Are we good? So let's see 1 or 2 reviews. So the instructor had a well-modulated voice that made it easy to and enjoyable to listen for the hours without feeling exhausted. He explained the topics clearly and effectively using relevant examples. Exactly. So my second course with this instructor, I enjoyed his detailed explanation and clear examples for each core concept. So these are recent reviews, and you can see that the reviews are great, talking about the course itself and the instructor. So you also can also take up the course and give your own review of what you think about this course. So for just $11.99, you can pick up this course. That's approximately $12. So like, price might be different, depending on when and where you are watching from. But however, it's a course that will actually give you value for its money. All right, so now let's look at the third one, because you're actually going to be looking at 4 courses. Exactly. And there's nothing wrong in picking up all of these courses. Exactly. You're going to definitely learn something new. So communication, leadership, and management, 3-in-1 masterclass. So this is covering 3 things: communication, leadership, and then management. So learn communication, leadership skill for inspiration, success in life, work, plus management skills for career success. So apart from work itself, maybe because you just got a new job or you're applying for a new job and that is why you are taking up, because even for yourself as a person, personally, taking up this course will also help you. Exactly. So that's another thing you might want to consider. So you can see this course is also updated recently. Let's see. Okay. Updated recently, same month when I'm making the video. So these are the things you're going to be learning from this. You can see it's a long list. So I think they took out time to outline all of the things that you're going to be learning in this particular course. And for the fact that you are touching 3 things: communication, leadership, and management, so you should expect a lot from it. So some of it, let me just pick it randomly. The power of storytelling to tap into human emotions so your message has more impact. The preview principle of writing emails that people will read, receive your email, and take actions. So the importance of good slide design and well-prepared presentation in online meetings. So this course is actually good for those that are in business or in industries, like managers, and leaders of companies or organizations. Okay. Small group leadership that is built on relationship and trust. Develop a growth mindset to learn from challenges and see opportunities. So that is when people are seeing challenges, also you are also seeing opportunities there. Okay, help the team to become independent of you for decision and direction. So what does that mean? That means even if in your absence, your team can take decisions and then do something even in your absence. There's something that you must have done that will propel them to want to take up some of those actions. So the proper guidance that you need to achieve some of this is what this course is promising to put you through. So if you scroll down, this is 57 hours, which is a long one. 7 hours on-demand videos, 2 practical tests, there's assignments, there's articles, certificates of completion, and then 632 downloadable resource. So you can see a whole lot is in this course just for you. All right, so if you look at the course content, this is the sections is 104. So you can see 94 more 104 sections, 666 lectures, and for about 57 hours total length. So now what I wanted to say at the beginning is that if you look at some of this that I'm recommending, the hours are very long. The information that they are putting here is so much that you might be wondering how long will it take you to complete, or do you actually need it? Now, there are chances that you might not need all of the sections at once. Exactly. So what you can do is you can just go through, after picking up the course, you can just go through the course content and start with sections that applies to you, sections that you actually need. Then you can now come back to the ones that you skip. And also, these courses I'm recommending to you are courses that you need to be coming back to them from time to time. It's just like if you also read books on communication, leadership, management, you'll discover that it's not just once you read some of those books. Once you read it today, after a while, you might still come back after some months. You don't just read it and dump them. Exactly. So also applies to these courses. So from time to time, you come back, you watch the presentation, you listen to it, and I believe you're going to learn a lot. Okay. So if you really find value in all what I'm saying, please give the video a thumbs up. So these are some of the reviews. The course is very much helpful and informative. Thanks a lot. Learn more about communication. Definitely apply in daily life. Okay. So that's the third course. So now let's look at the last one. So here is the last course I'm recommending under leadership, communication, and management. So the leadership masterclass, leadership skills development. Okay. So this is leadership development, leadership models, leadership principle, team leadership, strategic leadership, and motivation. This focus more on leadership. Exactly. Okay, so with 4.4 rating updated recently, and then these are the things that you're going to be learning. So once you come up on this page, I'll leave a link to it in the description. You're going to be seeing everything that you're going to be learning. Leadership styles, the benefits of each leadership style, and how to use different style in different team scenario and situation. Exactly. You might be wondering, so there are different styles of leading. Yeah, there are actually different leadership style. Okay. So diversity, use the power of diversity to drive innovation, creativity, performance, and personal growth. High-performing business leaders that have set examples in leadership, and we can learn from their best practices and accomplishments. Okay. So these are some other great leaders that you're also going to be learning from, other great business leaders like Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Ray Kroc, and the likes. Okay. So for this now, this is almost 30 hours of videos. It's one downloadable resource, certification upon completion, and these are the course content. So there are 26 sections, 256 lectures, about approximately 30 minutes. Exactly. So this also costs $9.99, approximately $10. So if for any reason maybe you're seeing a different price, well, it's actually going to be worth it, because this is actually on a discount. This is the listed price, but this is the discounted price. Okay. So guys, so these are the 4 videos that actually comes my recommended book course when it comes to leadership, management, and communication. So do make sure you check them out. I'm going to leave a link to them in the description of this video, and do make sure you check them out, and then don't just check it once and then just dump it. And if you, like I said earlier, the course might be too, if you feel like, okay, it's covering more than information than you need, just go through the course content, check out the ones that you need, then you can now come back and look at other parts of the course content. Exactly. So I wish you success in your managerial journey as you take up this course in communication, leadership, and management. And then with that, if you find value in it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section below. So with that, guys, I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.